Welcome back students to Meera education. So in the last video हमने एक क्वेश्चन किया था स्कूल डेटाबेस का. तो बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था, उसको ही फॉलो करते हम. सेकंड प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन को फॉलो करेंगे. द क्वेश्चन इज प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन 2 फॉर 8th class practical assignment. Create a new database named library DB. Okay, so first of all we will open our Access 2016. We are using the Access 2016 version. Click on blank desktop database. As per the question, the database name is library DB. Okay, so here I am typing LYBARARI library. Oh sorry, let me copy this and let me paste it. Okay, library DB. Now click on create button. Now this is my library DB. By default table name is table 1. Now second is create a table name books with the following fields. So our table name will be books. So I'm saving this table with the name books. Okay, as per our question, books. Clicked OK. Now my table name is booked. I'm switching my view from datasheet to design. Right click here, click on this view option and change your view. Now design view, and first is book ID. So first is, this is my first column. Okay, if you want to take auto number, you can take auto number, else you can change this auto number from the number, text or whatever, whichever data type you want. Let's suppose I'm using a number. Okay, now the second is title, TATII title. Third is author. Fourth is publisher, and the fifth is price. Okay, so we added all fields to this, and now let me select our data type. Title will be in the characters and the letters, alphabets. So author again, publisher, and the price will be in the float. Okay, so I will use a number here. Okay, I will use a number here. Now this is ready, my table is ready. Now I'm saving this, Ctrl plus S, and I'm closing this table. Okay, now this is my table. Right click, open. Now we are having book ID, title, author, publisher and price. Okay, now the question is, we ready with the table. Now enter list 5 sample records. We are not having a, so we are going to use ChatGPT from here, ChatGPT, and let me select this and let me copy, and I'm writing a prompt based on this. Give 5 records. Okay, let me I'm using a ChatGPT here. So 5 records, like so it's given 50, the name, author and everything it has given. Okay, now let's suppose I'm adding a 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105. Okay, so title will be, the first title is The Gate Gets By. Second is To Kill a Mockingbird. Third is 1984. Fourth is The Alchemist. Okay, I am copying and pasting, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, and the Pride and Prejudice. Okay, I copied and I pasted. Now the authors are like, this is my author, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. Second is Harper Lee is the author, and I pasted here. Now third is George Orwell, copy and pasted, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. Again I'm using very basic, I'm not taking any shortcut here. To issue, copy and paste it now. And publisher as Scream. Let me copy and paste it. Okay, publisher is this company. Publisher means which company is publishing that book. Okay, the public there is a price hota hai na wo. Chalo, next is this Harper Collins, copy, paste, anti Aragon. Okay, copy and paste. Now according to you can set your price, like suppose 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. Okay, I'm now control plus save, control plus S, saving, and now you can adjust your column width, okay, as per your need. And now it's ready with our table. Okay, now control plus X, I save this. Now next question is, the task is create a query display all books where the price is greater than 300. So it's very simple query to write here. Click on create, query design, select your table, click on add button, click on close, select all your fields, books ID I want a title, I want a author, I want a publisher, and I want a price, and the criteria given is where the price is greater than 300. So I will write greater than 300. I will save this query. By default the query 1 is query 1. If you want to change this name, you can rename this. Okay, just click on OK button, close this query, right click on this query and open this query. So 3 books are having price जो 300 से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, greater than 300. So 103, 104 and 105 is having 350, 400 and 450. Okay, now create a query display only the title and author of all books. So next query we are going to create again same. Let me close this query and let me close this table. Create query design, select your table. If you are having multiple table, you can select multiple table, okay, and close. And I want a title and only author of my book. It's giving display only title and author of all books. So I selected control plus S, default name query 2, click on OK, close this query, right click on this, right click and open this query. Now the title and the authors are coming only, all 5 books. Okay, make sure there is one important thing, उसमें existing table में आपका कुछ भी change नहीं होता. If you see this book 1 books table is same रहेगा पूरा आपका, ठीक है ना, but you can see the query, it gives you another table, different table, new table it gives. Okay, चलो, the next is create a query that sort books in descending order of price. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है, बुक्स को एक क्वेरी में शॉर्ट करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट थर्ड क्वेरी इन दिस query design. Again we are going to select a table, close. We will select all our fields, book ID, title, author, publisher and price. So according to price we have to, in the descending order is given, yes, descending order as per the price. Okay, we selected, we saved query 3, click OK, close this query and run this query. Now you can see the all the as per the price it has been in the descending order. If suppose I am closing this query and you can see one thing, automatic synchronization. So suppose this 101 is having a price like 600, okay, and it's having a 150 only. I'm saving this table and you will run this query of query number 3. Now you will see the query number 101 is coming here and 105 is going there. So automatic it will change, no need to write again and again the same query. Okay, now right click and close. Chalo. The next is create a form name book entry form to enter new book detail. So very easy to create a new form. Click on create form and the existing data is showing, control plus S. As per the form is given, yes, form name is given book entry form. So I am copying this and I am pasting here. Okay, this is my book entry form. I control plus S, I am closing this form and here is my form in navigation pane. Right click, open and showing the existing data. Just click on this. Okay, click on new blank record. Now the table has been empty. Now suppose I am writing 106. The title is like suppose information technology. Author is Kips. I'm writing Kips. Publisher is A&M suppose, and the price is around 360 rupees. Okay, and I add it. I control plus S, or you can click on enter new records. Now close your form and refresh your form. Now 106 is here, information technology Kips A&M. So in this way you can create a form and you can enter a records in your table. So next is use the form to add 2 more books record. If you want to add the same process you have to follow. The last is create a report to display all books grouped by publisher, all grouped by publisher. So we are not having the same publisher in this, but if you want to see the by publisher only, then you can write a query to report. Okay, it's very simple. Create click on report, and I don't want a author. Okay, I don't want an author, so you can first you can create a query. It's very simple. Let's suppose, let me create a query first to make a report in the very good form. Click create, query design, add your table, close, and select your fields. I want a book ID, I want a title, and I want a publisher. I save this query, query number 4. Now click on this query number 4, create and report. Okay, let me close this. Yes, let me close the books also. Create query number 4, report. Now its query 4 is coming with the book ID, title, and publisher only. Okay, I'll let it give a name, book report. This is my report name. Control plus S, give your report name, book reports, book report. Okay, and control of book and report, and click on OK. Now close this, and here is the report in the report section and the navigation pane. Right click and open this. Now you can see if you want to change the color, and like this is the final report we are having. Okay, so in this way you have to solve these questions. I hope आपको ये हेल्प करेगा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में. अच्छा लगा है, शेयर करें, शेयर करें, एंड सब्सक्राइब करें मेरा एजुकेशन को. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.